With Fergus, you can hide line items on your quotes, estimates, and invoices, ensuring they don't appear on the customer's copy. Let's use a quote as an example. Before you begin, make sure you've added line items to your document. There are two ways to hide line items. The first is to combine to one line. This option lets you group selected line items under a single heading. Here's how. Tick the checkboxes next to the line items that you want to combine. Pro tip: to quickly select all line items in a section, click the checkbox below the section title. Once you've selected your items, the Bulk Actions button will appear. Click it and select Combine to one line. Enter a name for the new combined line item, such as labour and materials or total price, whatever makes sense, and save your changes. The combined line items will now sit in a black box, meaning they're still visible to you but hidden from your customer. To see how the document looks to your customer, click the preview button in the top right corner. The other option is hiding all line items. Click the Line Items button beside the section you want to hide and select Always Hide. Alternatively, click the pencil icon to edit the section settings. Here, you can untick the option to display line items for the entire document. Another pro tip: if you want this setup to apply to all future quotes, estimates, and invoices, update your preferences in the quote and invoice settings. Don't worry, you can still adjust visibility on a case-by-case basis using the pencil icon, as I've just shown you. Now, a quick note on invoice reminders and accounting packages. It's important to note that hiding line items is a Fergus-specific feature and isn't supported by connected accounting packages. This means that once an invoice syncs with your accounting software, all line items will become visible in the accounting package. Because of this, we recommend sending invoice reminders directly from Fergus rather than from your accounting package. This ensures your customer receives the original formatted copy with hidden line items intact. And that's it. Now you can decide what line items you show on your documents with ease.